Take care, take a part, take a bite, take medicine, take a chance, take a picture, take advice, take a shower, take a risk. Go bankrupt, go bold, go dark, go online, go abroad, go crazy, go swimming, go shopping, go to war. Get shocked, get hungry, get dark, get angry, get married, get wet, get ready, get a job, get pregnant. Have a problem, have a haircut, have a drink, have a bus, have a holiday, have a rest, have fun, have dinner, have a party. Take off has 4 meanings. First, to leave the ground and begin to fly. The helicopter took off the platform. Second, to remove clothing or things. Please take off your mask. Third, to leave a place quickly. John took off the party before I came. Fourth, to not work for a period of time. I will take a day off tomorrow. Just simple English.